Okay, here is part 1 of my video on building my custom computer. Sadly I did not record the first stages, but luckily I haven't actually installed much yet, but as you can see I've got the Antec P182 case. Really nice case. Doesn't come with a power supply, but you know the one that comes with a power supply, I can't remember the number, but I think it's the P190 or something like that. It's the kind of an excessive power supply and it's much more expensive. So I got this off www.complete.ie. Can't remember the price now, but it was pretty good. Okay, it's got the let's see, the air filters. You can remove them, which is pretty good because the Dell over there gets quite dusty and that's difficult to clean. There's another one there. You can also, behind this one here, the other side, in the hard drive bit, I got a hard drive installed in there. You can install a fan instead, but you can't install a hard drive and a fan there. Okay, that's magnetic, by the way. It opens the whole way, so you can open it like this, all the way over like that, which is pretty good. I'll probably keep it like that though. Okay, let's open up the case. Okay, so oh yeah, there's a spoiler there. Now I'm not entirely sure what it's for, but I believe it is to stop dust falling into the fan in there. There's a fan there. There's the I/O plate. There's all the drive bays, and there is my power supply I've installed. All I've installed at the moment is the power supply and the hard drive. It's the Corsair modular power supply, 620 watts. It's quite good. There's also there the grommets for I think they're grommets for a water cooling system, although I wouldn't use them. Okay, here we go. Unscrew that. Okay, unscrew that. Okay, now to open it, you kind of do you put your hand and then you just pull it back. Okay, just a moment, gotta pop it over here. Okay, so as you can see, no motherboard yet, no MOBO. Right there, got the Sangi on the hard drive, because if you look here, I'm going to turn the light now. There we go. On the bottom it's quite bare, so it's actually exposed circuitry, so I had to be very careful there. Bit blurry there. Yeah, I had to be very careful with that. With this, that was quite a cinch. You know, there's nothing exposed. On the bottom of that, by the way, there's a pretty big. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it. No, I can't. You can't see it. There, wait, see. Yeah, you can't actually see under there, but there's a 120mm fan, just like the one on the top. Okay. By the way, I'm not going to remove the side door because there's not much to see besides that. But on the other side of the plate, there, you know, the MOBO plate, the other side there's cable ties so that you can put them through these holes here and kind of sort the cables around the back to increase airflow. And you might not be able to see it, but on the other side of that there, you can see the very edge with the black thing. Or that might be the shadow actually, but it's right in there. There's actually, so you can see it. See if this will focus. No, it won't focus, but on the other side there's a little box for holding screws and things like that. Okay, if you want to remove these things, you remove that screw there, unclip these things, pull it out, slides out really nice. See how this one here, drives go horizontal here, vertical there. I was going to put them there because apparently you get better airflow if you put them there instead of here, but it's much harder to put it there than here, so I decided to put it in there. Also, I like the fact that you just see these little pins here, or these little kind of clips. You just squeeze them with your fingers and then you can pull out the tray and install it separately. Well, this one's a bit of a hassle, this lower one. Okay, now the final thing is in here. This is the processor. It's an Intel Core 2 Quad. Just remove it now. That's hard. Okay. So you open it up here. I'm not going to take it out of the box because that's up. Okay. So I'm just going to use the stock cooling because I'm on a budget. Okay, there's the CPU right there. Okay. And there is the thermal pads right there. I believe they kind of spread out once you place it down. There's the clips, of course. Okay, and that concludes part 1 of the video. I will do more as I get the parts and assemble it.